Hey guys, welcome back. So today's viewer question is from Scott Schammel from New Hampshire, and he wants to know more about the overdrive switch in his 2006 Grand Marquis. And I thought this was a pretty good question because it applies to all Panther cars with the overdrive transmission. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So here's the gear shift lever right here, and when I push the button, we'll get a light to come on in the dash that says overdrive off. So I thought the best way to answer this question would be to open up the owner's manual, and I printed off the page from the 2011 manual, and I'd like to read this to you. So it says, overdrive, the normal driving position for the best fuel economy. Transmission operates in gears 1 through 4. Overdrive can be deactivated by pressing the transmission control switch on the gear shift lever. And then now down here it talks about drive, third gear. Drive is activated when the transmission control switch is pressed. This position allows for all forward gears except overdrive, so that's just 1 through 3. And it provides engine braking, and then down here is the key. It says use when driving conditions cause excessive shifting from overdrive to other gears. Examples: hilly terrain, heavy loads, trailer towing, and when engine braking is required. So what does all that mean? Well, based on my own 2 Panther cars and my own driving application, I've noticed that when I drive around at speeds between 40 miles an hour and 45 miles an hour is when it likes to shift into overdrive. So based on that, if I'm in some driving conditions where the transmission is hunting between overdrive and drive, I would turn off or I would press the overdrive switch to put it into third gear to prevent it from shifting or to prevent it from hunting. Now the other example is on my last trip to Oregon, when I was going up and down the mountains, I noticed that when I would come down the mountain, if I was in overdrive, I would actually speed up, and I'd have to be riding the brake pedal to slow down, otherwise I'd be going faster than the speed limit. So on the next hill, or on the next mountain when I was coming down, I would press the overdrive switch, and that would put it in third gear. And when I was coming down the mountain, it provided enough engine braking so that I didn't have to push the brake pedal, and I didn't exceed the speed limit for that road. So what I'm trying to say is, under 99.9% of the time, under normal driving conditions, you just leave it in overdrive, and those 2 examples should let you know when you need to turn it off. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.